guys, we're gonna attempt Messi or Ronaldo. He's Ronaldo, right there. I'm Messi. So we will see who's the GOAT. But I'm gonna try not my best, but I'm not gonna try my best. But my best, I'm gonna kill this guy. For real, I do my best.
No, he's not, bro. I'm too good for him. I'm doing soccer. Come on, bro. Don't do soccer. Come on, Sonny. Okay, stop. Go, Messi. Bring it on. Ja, maar dat was waar. Wil je achter te gaan? See, look. Ronaldo is the GOAT. No one else is. Ronaldo. Mbappe sucks. William Lamar sucks. Messi sucks. The GOAT is Ronaldo. No. How is it real?
That's the proof. Ronaldo is the GOAT. Yeah. Messi sucks. Yeah, we will see. Messi, you're so crybaby.